Hello, it's John from Avery, and we're going to take a look at how to create business cards using the Avery Wizard. Click on your Avery Wizard icon once you have Word open, and you get the Wizard launch screen. I want to remind everybody to use only Avery brand products for guaranteed results. We're going to click the Next button, which gives us a complete list of the products available in the Wizard. We're going to be able to narrow that down if we need to by clicking on the category that we're going to be working in this case, business cards. Much shorter list then, right? An even better way, or a quicker way, to find the correct template is to type in the product number you see on the product or in the packaging. 5871 is our business card product number. We're going to click search, and there it is. We're going to click next. Now we have a selection of designs that we can choose from. What we want to do is take a design from this selection and adapt it to what we need. I'm going to pick this design. It's got a graphic on the corner up here next to company that I'm going to replace with a logo. I'm going to click next. Now we have some choices where if you were doing a mail merge or doing any sort of database stuff with your design, you could use this selection screen to make the right choices. In this case, we're going to create a sheet of identical layouts. We're going to create a set of business cards that all have the same information on each one. I'm going to click next. Now we're in the Avery design screen, and we have some familiar buttons here for Word users. We're going to select the graphic and actually replace this graphic with a new one. Select the graphic and then click on your Insert Clip Art button, and you can see we have a few graphics in this folder. I'm going to pick this dog with the orange background, click Insert. Now our graphics all ready to go. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, and then I'm going to do some stuff to the texture. You can see how some of the text jumped down a little bit. So I'm going to reduce the size of this text to 9 points. I'm going to make the text bold. I'm going to take the company and I'm going to actually write your company. I'm going to change the type to a different type style, a little bit stronger type, Endurance Pro, but I am going to make it a little bit smaller. I'm just showing you various options you can access in order to make your design unique. Now another thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this black type and I'm going to make it a color that complements this dog with the orange background. I'm going to pick an orange that comes close to this logo color. I could get even closer if I needed to, using color options that you'd be familiar with if you've used Word before. I'm also going to select this set of copy and I'm going to make this a dark gray. Okay, so I believe we're ready to go. I'm going to click Next. And here we have an option to look at a print preview. What's nice about the print preview is you can look at your entire sheet of cards. If you see a problem with the cards, you can come back to the screen and hit back and make any changes you need to make. You can't do that once you hit finish. So we're going to click Print Preview. And we're going to look at these cards. They look pretty good. You can zoom in, take a look at them. They're all the same. So I'm going to click Close Preview. And since I'm happy with the cards, I'm going to click Finish. And there we are.